Hi everyone, it's Gagajoy. I'm so glad you dropped in today. I wanted to stuff some green peppers while they're plentiful. And I have a special recipe. I made it up myself years ago. And it's a Weight Watchers peppers. Wonderful. And I want to dedicate to my friend Joanna. She's the Weight Watcher director here, and she's wonderful. And yes, I am a Weight Watcher dropout. About 42 years ago, I almost got to my goal. Life changed, and I did too. So remember, girls, go to Weight Watchers. Anyway, this is really a good recipe for Weight Watchers. And I still use it. There's so many things that you use after you leave Weight Watchers. And I've got 2.5 pounds of 90-10 hamburger. And this is shredded cabbage. And this is about, I'm going to go with 4 cups to this 2.5 pounds, which is a good amount. And you can use more, you can use less. I use a big onion, 1 big onion, 2 eggs. If you ever get a shell in your eggs and you want to get it out, you use the shell of the egg to get it out, and it comes just quickly and perfectly. I don't know why I separate them. Okay, and for the seasoning, I'm using onion powder, a tablespoon of onion powder, a tablespoon of salt, and this is just Italian seasoning. But the difference in all of this is my tomato powder. And I'm going to put tomato powder in it, and I've never used it in this before, but this should be perfect in this. And we'll put 2 tablespoons, rounded tablespoons. So, you see, there's very little few calories in it except the hamburger and the eggs. So, it really works. Today I'm going to freeze my green peppers because I'm going to be gone for a while. I got my peppers stuffed. All my pepper stuff, as you see, it turned out to be 7. I'm going to put them in the freezer for 6 or 8 hours, and then I'll get them out, put them in plastic, and put them down in a bag, one at a time. That way, when I want 2 peppers, I can get 2 peppers, or 3, or 5, or whatever. It's like that. I just put them in aluminum foil and put them in the oven, and you've got stuffed green peppers. And they are so good, so I hope you do try them, and I hope Joanna tries them and she likes them. Take care of yourself. I got dang things to do today and running around. Take care of yourself. It's hot here. Remember the joy. There's so much sadness in this world, and only God can bring it back, our happiness back. But you don't let the bad days take you down. There's always a good in every day. When you get through every day and you're depressed, go back and see where that good was for the day. Because we need to be happy too. Because we need to share it with our children and other Christians around the world. Take care of yourself. See you soon. Bye.